Hey guys, what's up? Back here with the 2023 Can-Am Defender. We were installing these mudbuster fender flares. We got both of the front flares put on. The real issue came once we moved to the back. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to smash that like button. So the first part we tried to install was the front fender flare, and it came out about 3 inches from this edge all the way down. We didn't have too much issue installing this side. It was primarily on the other side where we started to notice the issue, and I'll go ahead and show you what I mean. So you might not be able to tell a difference right off the bat, but this panel right here that connects, it's slightly different from the other side, and so it actually ended up being in the way when we tried to put on the other flare. So we took it off, and then come to find out it was still too large of a piece. So we're assuming that there was some slight variation between last year's model and this year's model. The real issue didn't come until we went to go and try and install the upper flare. So as you can see, there's a groove right here, and the upper flare sits in this groove. But the issue that we were having is that where the bends are no longer lines up with this or this. It's about maybe a finger's width away, and then it doesn't sit up flush against it either way that you put it. So here's that groove, and here's the issue that we were running into. When you set this in place, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that gap does not close the way that you would expect it to. Same thing goes for this side. Now, I can try and flex it, but in the end, it won't fit. So unfortunately, we can't do anything about these mudbusters right now. We've contacted the supplier, and I think they're trying to see what they can do on their end. But essentially, I just wanted to let anyone know who's bought the 2023 Can-Am Defender, you might end up running into issues.